Plumbox is a plumber and repair service Elementor template kit designed for plumbers and repair specialists seeking a clean, professional, and fast launch website. Notably, an Elementor Pro upgrade is not required, as these templates are built using the Elementor free version plugin. The kit is optimized to turn visitors into booked appointments using well-structured service pages and bold call to actions. It includes a comprehensive set of fully customizable pages: home, about, services, single service, pricing, contact, appointment, packages, gallery, locations, request a quote, and a pre-built 404-page. Header and footer templates are also included. Key features include true no-code customization with a drag-and-drop visual builder, making it easy to customize fonts and colors globally or fine-tune specific elements. The design is modern, fully responsive, Retina-ready, lightweight, and fast-loading, ensuring compatibility with most Elementor themes. To use this kit, note that it is a template kit and not a WordPress theme. It contains design data for Elementor only and must be installed using the Envato Template Kit Import plugin for WordPress or directly through Elementor. The required free plugins are Elementor Free, Ultra Addons Lite, and MetForm. The demo images used in the kit are from Envato Elements and must be licensed through Envato Elements or replaced with your own content.